Welcome to our channel. Today we how to secure your savings plan with Fidelity, beginner guide step by step clearly. To begin securing your savings plan with Fidelity, start by visiting the Fidelity website. Create an account if you don't already have one. You will need to provide some personal information, including your name, email address, and social security number. Once your account is set up, log in to access your dashboard. Navigate to the Investment Accounts section on the menu. Choose the type of savings plan you want to create. Consider options such as a brokerage account, retirement account, or education savings account. Select the specific type of plan that best fits your financial goals. After selecting your plan, you will be prompted to complete an application. Fill in the required details, ensuring all information is accurate. Next, decide how much money you want to invest initially. Consider setting up automatic contributions to help grow your savings over time. Review Fidelity's investment options for your chosen plan. You can choose from mutual funds, stocks, or ETFs based on your risk tolerance. Once you've chosen your investments, finalize your selections. Review all terms and fees associated with your selected plan. Confirm your investment choices and submit your application. Monitor your investments regularly using your Fidelity dashboard. Fidelity offers tools and resources to help you track your progress. Consider setting goals to help keep your savings plan on track. Take advantage of Fidelity's educational resources to improve your investing knowledge. If you have any questions, reach out to Fidelity's customer support team. Stay informed about market trends and adjust your plan as needed. Revisit your plan regularly to ensure it aligns with your current financial goals. With patience and a proactive approach, you can successfully secure your savings plan with Fidelity. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.